Hey guys, welcome back. So today is a day. I've just been doing some final preparations to the S15. I've got all the papers and I'm ready to go get it registered. So I've just been doing some last minute tidying up of the wiring. I've still got that side to do and I've just got this side to, well, I've pretty much just stopped where I am now. I've got to go get this thing registered. So the battery's all done. I've just put a vent tube there and that goes down outside the vehicle. And yeah, just a few little things to do up front that I've been working on. So I've just been putting the ECUs back together. So I've got the papers I need, we've got the registration details. Let's go. Nah, seriously, we're not taking this car, but we're going to come back and we're going to come back with the plates. We're going down to transport to get the car registered. Yeah! Woo! We'll be doing some sick drifts in no time. Alright, let's get to it. So I've just got back and I'm now fitting the number plates. I've had to take the bumper off because of the number plate frame here was actually pushed in and the bumper was installed over it. So I've quickly taken the bumper off and now we can get to this bracket. And I'm just straightening it up and making sure it's all good for the new number plate. Alright guys, here she is, all registered. I'm gonna take her on her first drive. So guys, this is it. We did it. We finally got it registered. So I'm looking forward to sharing you some of my experiences in the car and out on the track. Okay guys, I'll see ya. Bye. Stay tuned for more videos to come because we are actually now able to drive this thing.